Here we are in a small 12-passenger puddle jumper airplane flying from Belize City down the coastline to Placencia to where the moorings base is located and our sailing trip would start. This is Roberts Grove, where we stayed the evening before the sailing trip. It's almost directly across the street from the moorings base and right next door to La Rubella, where the Sycamores were staying, which is directly across the street from the moorings base. Great wind coming right in off the ocean. Good sailing weather for the next few days. Walking from La Rubella across the street to the moorings base. La Rubella had a small Hobie cat that we could take out.
It's a small cut, and we cleaned it, we bandaged it.